Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Compx TLLC150 gang lock. Lockbar clip is what this is. This attaches into the lock bar with that nut attached to the portion that slides into the lock bar, and you can tighten it down. This is used in the gang lock sort of application where you have your locking bar that travels via your key. Okay, and the lock bar is what tightens into, the cylinder body. Is where the cylinder body communicates to the lock bar clip. The lock bar clip, when the cylinder is activated, is what is driving that up and down. So this is a crucial piece. Appears to be just like a white coat galvanized piece of steel, dimensionally. About 2 1/16 overall length. Small side about 1 1/8 inches. About 15/16. You can eyeball the total projection there. See what it comes up to. 7/16. Any questions on the Compx TLLC150 Lockbar clip or any other Compx product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much.